Dude, Axialfest, Cisco Grove. We have arrived. Driving past. What's happening? And there's already scaling going on. People have been here for days already. And I bet you they're like doubling up on the trail running. Sweet Yoda. Cut door. That's the Dill and Mr. Newell, also known as Russ. Those are my camping homies. They gave me a spot to set up my tent and park my cube. And I have completed one day of Axialfest activities that consisted of me participating in the Ultra 5K this morning. Now, it's a race. You're supposed to run with your truck. I didn't do very much running, nor did I record any footage. I apologize. There was some tomfoolery on trail for sure. We had a good time. There was a cheering section that had an obstacle set up that wasn't part of the track, so we had to mash through that. And they had beverages and entertainment and loud music playing. It was quite the good time. So it was 3 laps of that. I finished all of them, but I did finish, so that's kind of half the battle. But I'm gonna go over here and show you guys the Expo Center and
that one's better. Gosh. You can have that one.
Super dialed.
I want that one.
Expo area microphone. CKRC's back there. Night Customs. A-Main Hobbies. There's a Monster Energy canopy with nothing in it. Ultra's over there, shoe people. Proline, shoes for your RC car. And my piece down there. Olson's been sitting there working non-stop the whole time. This guy's got a sweet electric scooter. RPP's got a hobby shop here, like full trailer with inventory in it and the whole 9. They got this sweet big 4x4. The Java A Go-Go. They were giving out cold head dunks and tequila shots earlier. That looked like a good time. And look, fancy meeting you guys here. These two were the drive-by in my last year's Axialfest. What's up, fellas?
How you doing? How you doing?
Chugging along. How about yourself? Hey, I have a beer. You do not. So
we're going back to get one.
Are you not allowed to walk around with beer anymore?
No.
He drinks all my beer.
Well, hey, I'll find you guys soon. RC4 Drive here. SVRA, States of California Parks, important stuff. You want to do things outside, you need these guys. There's RPP's hobby shop. They got RTRs, upgrades, lights, all that. Horizon and Tower Hobby side by side. Who'd ever thunk it? It's like cats and dogs living together in harmony. Magnaflow dude's here. He RCs. He had an RC on his table. Sweet coolers. Vanquish guys are over here. All the way. There's the Seaking guys. Where are the Seaking guys? Vanquish guys. They win coolest displays because all the things in their display you can spin the transmissions and axles and stuff. Seaking guys. What's up, fellas? And I think the gazebo's up there, but I'm not walking up that hill. Check that out tomorrow. Monster truck action's going down. Check this out.
All right, drivers on the beat. Woo! All right, here we go, here we go. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Ooh, look at this, look at this. Oh! All right, here we go. Mod class. On my beat. Woo! Go! Get 2 bars. Oh, there we go, you got it. Woo! Woo! Yes!
Did you just hit yourself in the eye with the antenna? He did. Dude, that's so many people. So many people. So many people. Slow down. Slow down. Somebody check this guy's ID. I don't think he has his driver's license. He's only 15. Say it's about 9:30. It's Friday night. We're going out on course B. It's a super good clip with nighttime footages. It's my rig. It's poorly lit. That's RPP Hobbies. Jamming it out. Finished course B. It's 150 gauge of wandering around in the darkness. We're gonna go wander around in the darkness some more. Peace out. Which is the four-way freeway that we do these rail slides. So wait, before I do that, check this out. That wasn't bad. Someone even said my name. So we're gonna go down the four-way freeway. Are we ready? Ready. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Away we go, bitches!
Not like Charlie is proper fun.
Look, I'm stuck right there.
Here, I gotta put a rock here. I'll send down the deadbolt.
Don't do that.
What, we're gonna...
It's within arm's reach. She's just gonna give it a little nudge. Damn.
Hey, watch out. Watch out, here we go.
Give it gas, give it gas. Oh, you don't even need it. And this is part of Bridge City. I just came down this sweet bridge right here. And now we have to traverse this sweet bridge that goes up the tree. Taller than Casey Dill. Look how tall Casey Dill is, and he can reach up and touch it. And we're gonna come through the trapeze all the way down there. Dude. It gets easier. Once you get used to it, it's easy.